Hey guys, this is a demonstration of the digital gauge cluster swap in my 2012 Buick Regal GS. Sorry, my TPMS sensor is a little gimpy right now. But I also have this module that allows me to use the turn signal stalk to go through the different menus. So we got the speedometer, trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, how much fuel I've used, and a timer. And we can also go into the GS mode. Here is your friction bubble. And right here is also another voltmeter. Unfortunately, the 2012s and I believe the 2013s as well, you do not get the oil temperature or the oil pressure. So I deleted those pages from here. So I just leave it on here usually. The audio and the phone and the navigation do not work because, as you can see, I have the old 2012 radio center stack, but I do have Android Auto in here. So I still have modern technology, but there is no way for this and that to communicate in the 2012s. Unless you want to swap that in, which good luck with that. It's not worth it in my opinion. And this is the settings. We got the US. If you hold if you hold menu for a few seconds, it will allow you to go to the right in the menu. So we got sport. We can switch it to the touring theme if we want, but I just keep it on sport all the time. You have a speed warning. So you can go up, down, select, menu, select. And then also if I press the GS button right here, it lights up as well. I mean, I really like this upgrade. Definitely brings the car into the more modern era. So I do sell wiring harnesses that allow you to do this on Facebook or the Buick forums online. So if you're interested, drop a comment or feel free to reach out if you have any questions. It is definitely a great investment in my opinion. So hope you enjoyed the quick little video and take care.